Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome. We are here today at Universal Orlando because I do have some more brand new speculations and rumors for HHN 34 that I think we have all been waiting on. But also, I do want to discuss with you guys about all the IP house rumors that we've been getting, and it could possibly mean that we could be getting a certain house back that is on my top 10 list of all time. So let's go ahead, have a great time, and dive in. All right, guys, so I want to show you guys something real quick over here in the Mardi Gras Festival because there's something that relates to HHN, but I'm also going to check and see if there's anything in the back where the sprung tents are to see if there's any like more construction going on and see if we can catch anything before we get into all the new rumors because it is a lot of information. So over here they have these Jack the Clown coins from 2000 Horror Nights. That was just added. Shout out to Kevin for that finding, but that is pretty cool. All right, guys, let's go ahead and hop into all the speculations and rumors that have been going around as of recently. Now, according to HHN 365, we are possibly having a Scream house here at HHN Orlando and in Cali. They stated that this would be based off Scream 5 and Scream 6. Now, Scream has never really been featured here at Halloween Horror Nights. It was here though at HHN 16, aka Ghostface was here, and the All Night Die-In Take 2 house. If they bring a Scream property here, I will be ecstatic because I think they will absolutely kill that house. Ghostface is he's one of my favorite, let's just say horror characters because I used to watch all the Scream movies. What really kicked it off for me was the Scary Movie, which was a parody of Scream itself, because that movie was hilarious.
Pick up the phone. What's up? What's up? Yo, Duque, pick up the phone.
Yo.
What's up?
So I really do hope they bring this property. Now, I do have my differences that they may not come because for one, we actually tried to get this property here at HHN Orlando at HHN 25, but there was a discrepancy between the producer for Scream wanted to actually use the Scream mask from the TV show, which didn't do well either. That TV show did not do well. The mask was entirely different, and that's what the producer wanted to use for that house when we were supposed to get a Scream house at 25, but HHN wanted the original Ghostface mask and all the Scream movies instead because that's the one everybody knows. So we didn't end up getting that house, and that ended up being the Purge house, which is why there were some like sets inside the Purge house that kind of reminded you of some of the Scream movies itself.
Cast was rumored to be made aware of the retheme about 1 to 2 weeks before rehearsal started. The Purge Haunted House opened in time for Halloween Horror Nights 25, and guests stepped into the walkthrough attraction that was sliced of most of its theming. Much like how Scream starts, the Purge House began with a kitchen scene, only to see converted mannequins that were modeled after Drew Barrymore's character in Scream. This scene with the tree is recognizable to say the least. Guests then walked into the garage with a door that closely matched the familiar one from Scream. Many of the house's sets were nondescript after the redesign.
So I really do hope they get it right this time because a lot of people do want the house to come here to HHN. So you know what? Maybe they're trying to get that deal back going and maybe they've came to an agreement on the mask. So only time will tell. We will see. We will see because you know, Michael Aiello, he is back for HHN and he's really good with getting the property houses done for HHN. So maybe he's trying to redeem that house and bring it back and get the deal done and finalized. I really hope so. But the reason why I do think it could be a problem is because I don't remember the last time we have had 2 slasher IP houses per se, because Art the Clown's been very strong. That's been a very, very strong rumor. Now we have Art the Clown, Ghostface, they're both like slasher properties per se. I don't think we will have both maybe they'll change it up and bring both, but I don't think you want to bring the same type of house to HHN. So which one would you guys rather have? Art the Clown or Ghostface? Me personally, I will probably have to go with Art the Clown, to be honest, only because he is very unique. The scare actors can get very like into character. He's funny, he's exotic. I think that would be a great house. So I don't know, what you guys think? Let me know in the comments which one you'd rather have, Ghostface or Art the Clown. Now, before we do get into the next speculations, I do want to stop by the Sprung tent area to see if they have some new HHN construction up, because they have been adding stuff recently, and you saw in the last video they had something new. So maybe we'll finally see something that can give us a clue on what could come here for HHN this year. So it seems that they do have some new activity going on inside those Sprung tents. When you look inside there, they have the door open, and there was actually, you can see part of the wall, like the maze inside the Sprung tents. So you can see that, and there's something going on. I think I saw like a poster inside there. It was very hard to see. I tried to zoom in on it, but hey man, that is pretty cool that they are getting active with these Sprung tents. So hopefully we can catch some more stuff when we come back here. That was awesome. All right guys, so let's go ahead and get to the next set of speculations, and these are kind of some speculations of my own. So we have had two rumors of two different Blumhouses coming to HHN this year, Megan and also Five Nights at Freddy. What my thinking was is we've never had two separate Blumhouses here at HHN, at least not that I can recall. Let me know in the comments if you can. But I do remember us having a Horrors of Blumhouse, which was two different Blumhouse movies in the same house. Is there a possibility that we have a Horrors of Blumhouse 2 coming to HHN with Megan and Five Nights at Freddy in the same one? That would be pretty cool, because we did have that Horrors of Blumhouse in HHN 31, which I enjoyed a lot. It was freaky and also black foam. That was a good house. And the reason why I say that's like a top 10 house for me is because I love the two house concept. I really loved that. I really love the concept. Now, I don't think the houses alone were top 10, but I definitely think the concept was top 10 overall for me coming to HHN. So is that a possibility that we will see both those here in the same house? If so, that will be probably that will probably be the best house here at HHN, hands down. I would love to see walking into a Megan house, then walking straight into Five Nights at Freddy. It gives two different vibes. Also, it's not like it's like two slasher houses. It's two different type of houses. Well, actually, you know what? They are both a doll and teddy bear, so they're kind of the same. It makes sense. It really makes sense. So, what do you guys think? What you guys think? Do you think we will have a Horrors of Blumhouse 2? Could be a possibility with all the rumors going around. Now, I am over here at Sahara Traders, and they have a lot of Creature from Black Lagoon stuff up here. And I did have a couple people tell me that this is a lot of old merch and that they're trying to get rid of the 70th anniversary from last year for Creature from Black Lagoon. But then this is my question. Why not discount all this stuff if you're trying to get rid of it? Oh, that is an awesome shirt. Oh, that is so fire. Wow. But if you're trying to get rid of all this stuff, why not give it like 30% off like they do a lot of HHN stuff at the end of HHN season if they're trying to just get rid of it? See what I mean? I don't know. I'm staying by Creature from Black Lagoon. I hope he does come. That would be so awesome. But they have so much of his stuff, and he's not the only monster. I mean, you have Frankenstein, you have Dracula, like all those stuff need to sell also. So, I don't know, man. I really do hope I see you. Well, guys, that will be it for today's video. How do you feel about the Scream rumors? I wouldn't mind them bringing Scream here because we were supposed to have him in HHN 25. So, hopefully he does come. That would be fire. And how do you feel about having a Horrors of Blumhouse 2 and having Megan and also Five Nights at Freddy? Because I think that would be an awesome house and a lot of people will enjoy that. It has a little bit of everything that everybody wants. So if you guys did enjoy this video, go ahead, smash that like button, share, turn notifications on, and most importantly, subscribe. And you guys have a great rest of your night. See ya.